Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so for the past weeks, I've been talking about AI bots, AI bots, AI bots. That doesn't mean that the manual way of redoing arbitrage is not working. It's still working. But one thing is, most people can't, like, they don't want to risk something. Like, let's say if you're trading manually, like, getting profit is not like fixed and stuff. But when you're using the AI bots, your profit is fixed. So you can see that right now, I'm in a trade, right? I'm in a trade right now, yeah? Yeah. And on the $100 account, right? So I have 10.5 profit, and the amount I want to withdraw is $24.5. You see? Yeah. So let me show you how we do everything. So first of all, when you deposit on the boat, let me show you one thing. So the boat is already connected to Binance, Bybit, and stuff. The IP address is already connected and stuff. So people were asking me, like, how can I connect my API and stuff? This one is the bot. So the bot will just do the trade, everything for you. The bot is already connected to many exchanges. So the bots will just go there and search for the opportunity and what initiate a trade for you. That's it. Yeah. So if you want to deposit and start trading and stuff, when I come down here, you see that we have deposit, right? So I'll just copy my BEP20 here. Then I'll go to my exchange and what go and what deposit. And one thing, so let's say you deposit on this BEP20, let's say 61.2. 61.2. You have to write 61.2. Don't write 61.3 or 61.0. 61.2 after you submit everything. You see that thing? Then this transaction hash here, you will get it on when, like, you go to your Bybit and stuff. You will know how to get it. And like, if you buy this bot from me, I will also show you how to use the bot. Yeah, this bot is just $40. I will show you how to use the bot and stuff. Then you press over here and you click on submit here. Let me show you one thing about the bot that people don't pay attention to it. Let me show you. So you can see that right now I'm on good, right? I'm trading, right? So you can see that I'll trade, like, it's done, right? So I have 6, right? Yeah, I have 6, right? And this 6 profit, I can withdraw it anytime I want. So watch, regular to wallets, and it's free. So I'll go to regular to wallets here. $6, right? $6. You have to check this one. The withdrawal is 24.5, right? So I'll just transfer. So tell me what added. I was in around is 30. The 30.50, when I'm withdrawing it, it's free. You just pay your $1 fee. So if I come here to withdraw, you can see that you have network fee is what, just $1. Then what, you withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money anytime you want. So you can see that right now I have 30.50 as what profit that I'm enjoying. And this one, I got this one from the $100 account. And one thing is, this $100 account, you can withdraw your $100 account. You can withdraw the arbitrage wallet, the money to arbitrage wallet. You can withdraw it at any time that you want. The reason why I'm using this boat is that the first boat, like, you can withdraw all the money at once because you are using it to trade. So some of the money has been locked or freezed. But this one is different. This one you can withdraw all your money at once. Just that when you are doing the withdrawal, the bot will also take a fee from it. Then you'll be enjoying everything. You see that thing? But people want, I don't know, people want quick way to make money. They think that, oh, to trade there is very small. To trade is very small, bro. It's better than losing money in the market and not getting any profit in the market. You see that thing? Yeah. So this one, though it's two trades, but at least you'll be making something small from it. And when you wake up in the morning and you want to trade, you know that, okay, this trade I'm doing, I'll be getting profit from it. You already know it. I hope you understand. You already know that, okay, yeah, this trade I'm about to do, yeah, I'll get profit from it. You see that thing? So you already know all that. In all that. And one thing is, this one is not compulsory. You can also invite people to trade on the platform. And this one, when you invite people to trade on the platform, you'll be getting gold VIP membership. That means you'll be getting like your percentage will be high. If everyone is trading on, let's say, 0.3%, you'll be trading on 1.5% because you invite people to what? Join the platform. Is that thing? Yeah. So that is how it is. And this one has been there for long. And this one is good. And this one you can withdraw your money anytime. So no fears. Is that thing? But before I will introduce something to my students, I have to use that thing at least 3 to 4 months before I will introduce to my students. That's who I am. Is that thing? Yeah. So this is it. And these bots and setup and me calling you to teach you how to use this one and how to make more money and how to maintain like membership and stuff will cost you just $40, not $60, just $40, and you are good to go. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, as you always know, and